Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are an international student moving to the UK, one of the first things you'll need is a good bank account. And two of the biggest options are HSBC and Lloyds Bank. But which one is actually better for students coming from abroad? Today I will compare both banks, looking at account features, fees, international transfers, accessibility, mobile apps, and more, so you can decide which suits you best. Account types and ease of opening. Let's start with account types and how easy it is to open them. HSBC offers a student bank account and an international student account, specifically designed for those coming from overseas. You can even start the application process before you arrive in the UK, which is a huge plus. Lloyds Bank, on the other hand, provides the classic account for international students. It's free to open, but you usually need to be in the UK and have a UK address before applying, so it is not as smooth if you haven't landed yet. Verdict: if you want to see things up before arrival, HSBC wins the round for convenience. Fees, minimum balance, and overdrafts. Both banks are pretty friendly to students when it comes to fees. HSBC, no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and they sometimes offer perks like a small interest-free overdraft or access to student offers. Lloyds also has no monthly fee and no minimum balance, but overdrafts depend on eligibility and can take a bit longer to activate for new international customers. So they are pretty even here, but HSBC's global student perks give it a slight edge if you are an international customer. International features and money transfers. Now, for international students, this is a big one. How do these banks handle foreign currency and transfers? HSBC is a global bank with branches in more than 60 countries. That means if you already have an HSBC account in your home country, you can link accounts, transfer money easily, and even avoid some international transfer fees. Lloyds. While a strong UK-based bank doesn't have the same global network, international transfers are available, but they usually come with fees, and the process isn't as seamless. Verdict: for global connectivity and smoother transfers, HSBC definitely takes the win here. Mobile banking and digital experience. Both banks have solid mobile apps, but let's compare usability. HSBC's app lets you manage multiple currencies, make quick payments, and track spending across accounts worldwide. It's also quite secure with biometric login and strong encryption. Lloyd's mobile bank is very user-friendly, simple, and works great for everyday banking. However, it doesn't support multi-currency management for international features like HSBC does. Verdict: for international flexibility, HSBC wins. For simple, everyday UK banking, Lloyd's might feel a bit easier to use. Accessibility and branch network. When it comes to accessibility, HSBC has branches in most major UK cities and student areas, but has been closing some local branches recently. Lloyds Bank has one of the largest branch networks in the UK, which makes it really easy to find one near your university. Verdict: if in-person support is important, Lloyds wins this round. Extra benefits and student support. Both banks offer decent student perks. HSBC sometimes includes welcome offers, access to global support, and even financial advice for newcomers. Lloyds provides good UK-based support and sometimes exclusive student offers or discounts. But again, for international support and guidance, HSBC tends to be more student-friendly. Final verdict. Alright, time to wrap it up. If you're an international student looking for global access, easy setup before arrival, and seamless money transfers, HSBC is your best choice. But if you're already in the UK and want a simple, reliable UK-focused bank with more branches, Lloyds Bank might be better for you. So the best one really depends on your situation. HSBC for global convenience, Lloyds for local simplicity. So which one would you choose, HSBC or Lloyds? Let me know down below in the comments. And if this video helped you out, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more student banking and finance videos. Thanks for watching and good luck settling in the UK, and see you in a new video.